Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make mutton kebab for you. A sheep in its first year is called a lamb and its meat is also called lamb. The meat of a juvenile sheep older than 1 year is hogget. The meat of an adult sheep is mutton, a term only used for the meat, not the living animals. In the Indian subcontinent, the term mutton is also used to refer goat meat. Today I have taken 800 grams ground and pasted lambs, that is minced lamb. You can use goat meat, chicken or any meat of your choice. Dry roast kasuri methi powder, ground green papaya paste, kebab masala, ground or grated butter, salt, ginger, garlic and onion paste. Some lemon juice and breadcrumbs, and egg is also needed. First, I am mixing the grated onion and ginger garlic paste. Remember, it should not have any water. It should be a dry paste. And the green papaya paste. I am mixing it all with the help of my hand. This is the grated butter, unsalted butter. Wash your hands properly and then massage the meat with all the ingredients. I am adding dry roasted kasuri methi powder. And this is the kebab masala which I am using. If you don't have, you can use garam masala powder. I have this recipe in my channel, how to make homemade garam masala powder. I will give the link in the description box below. Massage the paste, minced lamb or goat meat or chicken with all the ingredients. The more you massage, the more the kebab will be very juicy and soft. Squeeze lemon juice in it. Don't use lime, only use lemon juice. And massage it again. Add some salt. Now cover it with an aluminium foil and keep it in refrigerator for minimum 4 to 5 hours. I have kept the skewer in water. After 4 to 5 hours, I have added 1 beaten egg. Beat the egg in a separate bowl first and then add in the marinated and pasted minced meat. Check the description box below for detail of ingredients. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Massage it again with the help of your hand. And now add some breadcrumbs. Don't forget to keep the skewer, if you are using bamboo or wooden skewer, in water. Soak it in water because it tends to burn. Here I am showing you two kinds of kebab. Now I am adding breadcrumb, like two process. One is in the grill pan and another I am baking. You can make it in grill pan or bake. Don't worry. The way you have marinated it, no chance is there to remain it raw. It will not remain raw. It will be very soft, moist and juicy. Look, I am mixing breadcrumb in it so that I can make a firm, soft dough to put it in the skewer. How soft it is and how juicy. And you have already added the paste green papaya, which is very much meat tenderizer. I am not using any chemical meat tenderizer in it. The recipe will be same with the goat meat, and if you are making with chicken, no need to marinate it. Directly you can add all the ingredients. In the description box below, I will give the name of the kebab masala, the brand and the name which I am using. This is a very good recipe. Look, I am massaging enough the meat with the help of my hand, adding some salt in it. I am making some tikki also so that later on if I freeze it, I can make it as burger or in sandwich bread I can use, or in pita bread, or in simple roti or paratha you can make it as a roll. So 800 grams minced lamb I am using. So I can freeze it and eat it for few days. Now you can see I made already one kebab. It is ready to go in the grill pan or in the oven. First I will show you how to make it in the grill pan. I have non-stick grill pan. Gently make a ball. If you want, you can add more breadcrumbs. If you feel that it's not binding enough. Always make the paste of onion, ginger, garlic and green papaya with very less water. Look, I am expanding the meat in the skewer so that I can keep it in the grill pan. This is how you can make the kebabs. You don't have to boil the meat, don't have to cook it for a long time. It's so yummy. It is so moist and soft. After I make it, it's so moist and soft. With a gentle massage, with a gentle hand, take your time, have patience, and make the kebab skewers. I didn't make like a very thin and restaurant style look. I wanted a big portion of meat, so I make big kebabs. And in low heat, if you fry it both side, and if it is turned very dark brown, no, don't worry, it will not burn. It will be very crispy from outside and very soft and moist and juicy from inside. Heat some oil in a non-stick grill pan. You don't need to add much more oil, a lot of oil, because you have already added grated butter in the kebab mix, and lamb or goat meat, whatever it is, it leaves oil. For mutton, it leaves very much oil. Look, I have placed one kebab in the grill pan. Cook it in medium flame for 5 minutes first, then flip it and again cook it in medium flame for 5 minutes, then in low flame again 5 minutes. Total cooking time is 15 minutes. Take some oil from the side and sprinkle all the oil over the top of the kebab. This will help you to flip the kebab. Otherwise, one side will be very crispy and dry and the other side will be very soft. So, when you will flip it, you will not have any problem. Now I have again added the second kebab. This grill pan has space for only 3 kebabs. So rest of the meat I will make mutton tikka, and that I will bake it in the oven. So I am showing you 2 processes in one video. One is in the grill pan and that is also a kebab, mutton tikka kebab. Try it once at home. This is my home style recipe. This tastes awesome. And if you really like this video, subscribe the channel, like, comment and share, and let me know through comment how many of you tried it and how many of you like it. Now I have added the third kebab. The more you massage, the more you marinate better, the kebab will be more juicy and tasty. Now I am making big size of mutton tikki with the help of my palm so that I can put it in burger, roll or sandwich. Heat your oven in 400 degree Fahrenheit. First 7 to 8 minutes and then flip it for another 10 minutes. Your mutton tikki will be juicy and crispy. And I am serving it with some biryani rice, some cucumber salad, some imli chutney or tamarind chutney. And you can see the 2 types of kebabs here. And I have made one chutney with coriander leaf, mint leaf, yogurt, Indian bhaja masala powder. I will give the link in the description box below. And some Himalayan pink salt and some sugar. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Have a great weekend like I have. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Bye.